Hello and welcome to this new video segment that we're doing at roofmapping.com. So this is just to give you an overview of the roofs that were put on the map in March of this year. As you can see, as you enter the map, there's quite a few hundred on the map globally, which is really good. So thank you to everybody that's been involved so far, and we hope that more of you can get involved in putting your roofs on the map. But the first few we'll look at are these in Lebanon. And as you can see, Nagia are starting to really dominate that area with the projects that they've done over the years. This is a sports centre that they did in 2001. They supplied the material for that, and as you can see, it's got the information about who the manufacturers were of the waterproofing, in this case Kalzip, and that purple text there actually gives you a hyperlink directly to that company. So they've done a couple of car showrooms there also in Kalzip, so you can add multiple photographs, as much information as you can about the project, who was involved, materials used, etc., year it was done, size, so we can really start to build up a picture of your work and what you're doing within the roofing industry. This other one was the Tripoli Airport. I think it was the control centre there, so just another example of what can be done. We had a new contributor in March with Monarch, so we're really glad to get those on board, and hopefully we can start to fill the map with theirs and dominate their area. So this project was a couple of little copper roofs there on the building to accentuate that and make that look even better. We then go across to France, southern France, for Kalzip roofs that they supplied information for. 2 car showrooms there. Again, just showing who the contractors were. You know, it was commercial building, new build, so materials, the size, the years completed, etc. And then we go across to China for a Rheinzink roof on this museum. But again, as you can see, you can zoom right in and see the roofs in their natural habitat, see it within the environments that they sit a little bit more. But again, you've got the details of the materials. So again, people can see that, see where the materials have been used on other buildings, what types of design. So give them some inspiration about what they could do with that material, where they want to use it. Something slightly different that we came across with Cottney Consultants is they've got a lot of historical information. So we can try and take some of this old information and put that on the map, because these buildings still stand today. So, you know, this was done 1926. Who's worked on that roof since? Is that, I'm assuming that's not the same material. It must have been refurbished, but who has refurbished that roof? Who's been involved? Similarly, on this one in Cheltenham, this was a slightly older roof. As you can see, as you zoom in, small little pitched roof from 1906. But you know, who's worked on that roof since? What materials are on there now? How many times has it been refurbished since it was done originally, or in that vulcanite material? So you can use this to build up a real picture of roofs, see the history of them, see the history of your business. You know, have you maintained that roof from the whole time? Tell the story. With Milcon, they're starting to dominate New York area, but on these they got a new health centre there, quite a big project. Also this mall, which, you know, is a big roof, but not all the roofs have to be big. Any size is quite happy to be put on the map. And then there's a sports centre here. So Milcon really showing the different types of buildings they can work on, different materials, companies that they're installing. And then following that, we were really lucky to be able to go to the LRWA Awards this month, well, in March, and to update these lives from the venue. But you know, the 4 winners from those different categories are now on the map, and you can go and explore those, and also the nominees as well. But you know, if you're winning awards for your roofs, put it on the map. You know, tell people I did that, we're really proud of it. You know, and it may not just be the waterproofing, but there's green roofs, who's supplying those, what the details of it. So hopefully you've enjoyed this quick look around. Please come and visit the website, have a look at all the other ones that are on there. You know, and if you want to put your roofs on the map, please do get in contact. All the details will come up soon. Get in contact with me, and we'll start the process. As I say, the details are here. Please, you know, put your roofs on the map, and we can all have a great time. Thank you for listening. Hopefully I'll see you next month. Bye bye.